Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter number 2, that is basic concept of economics. Basic concept of economics. Under this chapter we will see first concept about wants. How wants is important in a business and economy. We will try to understand here what do you mean by wants and what is want. Okay. And if in common balance, if we talk about wants means what? Desire of any human being. If I have the desire of car, I have the desire of Apple iPhone, I have the desire of anything, I and you, any type of person, any type of individual, if they are having any type of desires, and whatever the desires by the individuals, and desire plus effort, what do you mean by effort? Effort means purchasing power. What? Purchasing power. Desire plus purchasing power, when both will sum up or add, then it will convert in the form of want. Getting over? If in technical sense, and we talk about in definition wise, desire. Want means desire of human being for goods and services. Desire of human being. किसका डिजायर? गाय भैंस का नहीं, ह्यूमन बीइंग. डिजायर ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग फॉर किसके लिए? फॉर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. गुड्स प्रोसेसिंग यूटिलिटी कैन सेटिस्फाई वांट्स. मीन्स एक गुड्स के अंदर एक कैपेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए क्या, कि वो उस वांट्स को सेटिस्फाई कर सके. ओके, I want to give one example to you. Suppose I am very hungry. Okay, so where I will go? I will go for food. Okay, and when I will take the food, my hungerness will satisfy. When I will take the food, my hungerness will satisfy. My what is satisfied? Getting over to means I am talking about those type of goods and services which having some utility, which can satisfy your wants. Getting over? See here, if we talk about wants, desire of human being for goods and services, goods processing utility can satisfy want. Okay, a want is a desire to acquire. A want is, you can see here, a want is a desire to acquire something. Desire to acquire. I wish I have Lamborghini. I wish I have iPhone. Many type of people have they have different type of desires. Getting more than what a want is desire to acquire something. What? And the willingness to put in effort to acquire it. And willingness to put in the effort to acquire it. Willingness to put in effort. Put in an effort to acquire it. And whatever purchasing power, whatever efforts they can do, they do and they get the things. Getting over? So this is the wants. What again I am saying, a want is desire to acquire something and the willingness to put in effort to acquire it. Getting over? So how we can define wants in a mathematical tools, or you can in a formula type. So you can see here, wants is equal to desire plus purchasing power. You can write purchasing power. Wants is equals to desire plus purchasing power of an individual. Getting over? So you can write below the definition of the wants. Wants is equal to desire plus purchasing power of individual, or wants is equal to desire for a commodity, desire for goods and services plus effort to acquire it. You can say whatever effort we are being made for acquiring the goods and services, that is called wants. Getting you all? Hope you all are getting the definition of wants. If you have any problem, you can ask in comments. Okay. So next thing, characteristic. What? Characteristics. We will discuss characteristics. What are the characteristics of wants? First, wants are unlimited. Wants are unlimited. Wants are unlimited. Unlimited means unlimited means there is no limit of wants. If I fulfill my wants for hunger days, then I will go for shelter. Okay. If I will fulfill the need of shelter, then I will go for the comfortable things, comfortable goods like electricity, fan. And when I will fulfill my wish through fan, then I will go for AC. So what is this? Wants are unlimited. Means wants can never be stopped. Okay, my dear friends, in the world there are various type of things are available, and the people go for another and another things, for longing for the another things. Getting over. So what's the characteristic of wants is wants are unlimited. First characteristic. Second, each particular want can be satisfied. Each particular want, what I am saying, particular want can be satisfied in the world. If you have any type of want, okay, that particular want can be satisfied. Okay. Third, wants are competitive. Competitive means wants are competitive. Wants are competition. Okay. Wants are, how want is competitive? My dear friends, I want to tell one thing. What? We prefer the most urgent wants firstly. We prefer which type of want? Most urgent want. Suppose I am feeling hungry, then I will go for food, not for car. Car is my want. Car is my desire. I will fulfill, but after hunger rest. So both are the things, both wants are available, but they are competitor of each other. How it can be? How they are competitor? Because I will prefer those type of wants which are necessary for life. So this is the competition of what, which wants are necessary for me, which wants are urgent for me, and for those wants I will go for that. So that is wants are competitive. Next, wants are complementary. What? Complementary. Wants are complementary. Complementary means two goods. Complementary goods are those type of goods which can be used together, like pen and ink. Pen and ink. I am using pen also and ink also. Pen and ink also. I am using what? Electricity and bulb, fan, AC. What? The multiple use means togetherness. Complementary goods which can be used together. Okay, means saath car and petrol. Yes, these are the best example of the complementary. Wants are complementary. Okay. Wants are varying in nature. Nature means product, place, timing, means it can be vary according to place, timing, place. Suppose I am in Shimla, then there is too much cold, then there is need of woolen clothes. Okay, and I am in Gorakhpur, then at the time of summer, then I need what? A simple t-shirt or whatever things. So this wants are varying in nature. Vary करता है. इसका nature क्या है? Time to time, place के according, timing के according क्या है? Vary करता है. So these all are the characteristic of wants. Next, types of wants. There are three types of wants. First one is necessary. The second one is comfort. Third one is luxurious. Necessary, which is necessary for life, like bread, butter. It is too necessary. Second, clothes, roti, kapda, makan. Roti, kapda, makan. Have you known? You all are knowing about what? Bread and butter. Second, clothes. Without clothes we can't live. And third thing, shelter. These all are the what? Necessities wants. So first is necessaries want. What I have written? Necessaries wants. Second is comfort wants. Comfort wants means fan, electricity, which can be given. Comfortable goods like AC, not AC, fan, electricity, refrigerator. So these type of goods what we will consider comfortable, which make life comfortable. Third one is luxurious, car, AC. So these type of goods what are luxurious. So these types of want, there are three types of want: necessary, comfort, luxurious. You can prepare your notes through your book. Go through your book, okay, and see all the definitions and whatever I have told in this video and this concept, okay. Match all these things. What can you write and prepare yourself your notes, okay. I have written in all important topics, all important points about this topic wants, and the second topic we will see in next videos. For today, thank you very much.